comfort room, so if you need to use a comfort room, there's one just before the exit as well. One thing to remember, in the book fair, everything is priced in units because we travel around the world, so we need to price everything in units. And in the Philippines, 100 units is equal to 100 pesos. And if you're not sure of the price of your books, you can look for a conversion chart that looks like this, and you will find the price of your books. But it's very easy. If you see 100 units, it's 100 pesos. 500 units, 500 pesos. It's very easy. Okay? One other thing, kids, make sure you stay with your parents all the time, okay? And make sure you don't run in the book fair, because there's a lot of people, so you can't run, and you need to stay all the time with your parents. And these blue baskets at the entrance of the book fair, they are there for you to use. Please feel free to pick one up when you walk in. However, make sure you keep it with you at